Hey guys, so these instructions are pretty self-explanatory as long as you follow them in the book. That's pretty self-explanatory. Otherwise, just sit back and watch. We're just gonna be assembling this this faucet, but under the sink. So what's happening right now is I have the, I want to say, anchor rings that came in the box. I'm just sliding them on top of, I'm going in reverse. So I took these rings off when it came out of the packaging. Now I'm going the right way. So take them off and then put them back on the exact same way that you found them. Now, sometimes it's a little bit of a struggle, so just go with the flow. I think you can still see, yeah, there. This, I say crimp ring has threads, and that's gonna thread onto this guy up here. So just get under your sink, get comfortable, and then start turning. Once it catches, you'll know. And just cross threading. Go back until you hear that click, and then forge your way. Once you have it hand tight, you can leave that alone and move on to the next one. So there's 3 of them that we need to do back here. 3 of them that I need to do back here. That's the first one. The second one's for the faucet. The third one's for the cold side. And once we're done, we tie everything into these supply lines. Then we can find out exactly what we need to do to mess with this train to make sure that these 2 line up. And that's pretty simple as well. You just need to loosen that guy, turn this, because this this vanity top is similar to what we removed, so I know things are going to line up. But just in case they don't, I have extra 45s, extra pipes. I even have an extra P-trap just in case we hit that dilemma. All right, I even have the supply lines. So the best thing to do in this situation is to come prepared and be like super prepared, because you're gonna be missing, in one instance, you're gonna be missing that one thing that you need, and it's gonna cost you like a 30-minute drive one way to the store to get it. So always be prepared whenever you go on to sites like this. All right, catch you later. I need to fix this. I'll show you what I do and how I do it, especially when it comes down to putting in the stopper, because this stopper is not the pop-up kind. It is not, and I am kicking myself right now. I love the pop-ups. This one's not. So, yeah, tune back in. All right, gotcha. Actually, I'm gonna attach it to the end of this video. So, thanks for watching. We'll continue.